All right. I need your full name and your date of birth, please.
Carlos Alejandro Gomez Belmonte, 12/19/95. Or 12/18/95, my bad.
All right. So you're here on a new case. You got arrested for child abuse. As
My intentions were not to hurt him. I was just trying to make him stop crying.
Okay, Mr. Gomez, let me give you a warning, okay?
Yes.
You are accused of a Class 2 dangerous felony, which means if you're convicted of it, it's prison mandatory. It's a very serious charge. You have the right to remain silent in a criminal case. And so if you choose to speak about the facts of your case, the things that you're saying are being audio and video recorded, and they could be used against you in ways that right now you can't even imagine. I'm going to appoint a lawyer to represent you, and lawyers, defense lawyers, always tell their clients, don't make statements about your case. You have the right to speak at this hearing, though, and I'm not going to make you not speak, although I'd appreciate it if you didn't interrupt me.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. But you need to be very careful about who you talk to, because things that you say to anyone other than your lawyer can be used against you at trial, even if you're just describing what happened to another inmate in the jail. And so you are facing a very serious charge. You are facing a very real possibility of prison. And I'm telling you these things because you really don't have much criminal history, and you're very young, and you probably don't understand how all of this works yet. So let me tell you what's going to happen, and then if you still wanted to say anything, I'll give you a chance.
Yes,
all right? Do you understand the warning I gave you, though, that you do have the right to remain silent?
Yes.
All right. So I will appoint a lawyer to represent you. Your next court date is going to be a status conference on September 15th at 8:30 in the morning. That will be in the downtown Superior Court. Your preliminary hearing is going to be September 19th. That will be at 8:45. You have a $25,000 secured appearance bond. You have to post it to be released. If you do make that bond, and you can use a bail bond company, then you have to comply with all of your written release conditions. You cannot go to the scene of the alleged crime. Absolutely no contact with the alleged victim, nor any witness, which includes the baby's mother at this point. No contact with anyone under the age of 18. No weapons, no drugs without a valid prescription. No alcohol. Obey any order of protection that is issued against you. Read your release conditions. Don't violate them. And remember, if you are convicted of this, as it is currently alleged, prison is mandatory and it is flat time, meaning it's not 85% time. So it could only be more serious if the baby had died. If the baby had died, then your bond would be on the order of $500,000 to $1 million. So was there anything else that you wanted to say?